Hey creative cousins. So I got a package today. So I am one of those people that I like trying new things, but I'm afraid also trying new things because I don't want to waste my money. So I bit the bullet and I got a mystery box from Luv Lola, Raven at Luv Lola. So today we're gonna do an unboxing video and see what's in my mystery box. So let's open up this box and see what's in there. I'm excited. Like I said, I'm normally one of those people that super nervous about, you know, buying new stuff or trying new things, but I also like trying new things. It's weird, so I don't know. But here we are. We've opened our box. And we've got some coupon codes from Luv Lola, also some other businesses as well. And let's see what we have. We got some pretty wrapping paper. Look at this. This olive green is so pretty. And it's like a smooth texture. Oh my God, that's so cute. And then we have like this faux suede. It has like leaves on there. Oh my God, that's so pretty. I feel like this will be, I have to save this for something to make in the fall. Like the fall leaves. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And I'm normally not a big green person, but this is really pretty. And then we've got this gold handle here. This is so pretty. And then we've got an eye mask. How cute is that for late night sewing when you got bags under your eyes? It's so cute. But I'm so excited about this. Like, I really think I'm gonna have to hold on to this for a while to do some fall sewing with this. So we'll see what happens, but I'm so excited that I decided to bite the bullet and try something new. So that's my unboxing.